Bullish Revain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept fire up could reach $0 2025. Bearish Revain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Revain presentation. One of the main outcomes of the crypto business extension is the development of a few useless undertakings. Another is that crypto advances and blockchain frameworks are creating at lightning speed. Thusly, designers should stay informed concerning the most recent improvements inside the crypto space to guarantee that new activities are viable with the overarching security requests and client taste in the crypto space. Nobody cruises all over today in a pony truck. Notwithstanding the above mentioned, the crypto business is exceptionally reliant upon good client experience and simple item cooperation. Could it not be fine assuming there was a way for engineers to get client-driven data that recommends the predominant taste of the market, the exceptional innovation, and plans? Some Moscow specialists suspected as much, and they made Revain as a blockchain stage based on the Ethereum network that permits engineers admittance to invaluable data on the quality and execution of their items. Revain means to guarantee that items mirror the overarching guidelines and taste of the market by outfitting designers with data through client survey. What is Revain? Revain is a computerized stage for ETH-based blockchain project surveys. It gives the stage to engineers to get significant input in regards to the quality and activities of their ventures, utilizing shrewd agreements to guarantee the validity of audits. Revain is the principal online survey stage that depends on blockchain innovation. All audits are put away permanently on the Ethereum blockchain, making them carefully designed. The blockchain's permanence gives commentators the certainty that their contemplations won't be erased or changed by anybody, including the undertaking creator. The Revain stage boosts clients to compose quality audits by giving them awards as tokens. Compensated surveys are then put away on the blockchain, which makes them changeless. This implies organizations can believe the surveys on the stage, realizing they are certified and can't be modified. Revain's utilization of blockchain innovation additionally takes into consideration straightforwardness among organizations and commentators. Organizations can perceive the number of individuals that have explored their item or administration and what rating they have gotten. Then again, analysts can perceive how organizations accept their input. This makes a commonly helpful connection among organizations and commentators, as the two players need to work on the nature of the items and administrations advertised. Revain crucial investigation. Revain is the first of its sort to utilize the changelessness of blockchain innovation to guarantee straightforwardness in item audits. The stage permits designers to get crucial data that would illuminate adjustments to their items, expanding its acknowledgement and similarity with winning business and security conditions. Also, in light of the fact that the crypto market isn't yet immersed, Revain will encounter more use, upgrades, and worth increment. Capitalization. Presently positioned 348 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $49,798,310, Revain has not seen the best of its days. At $0, the cost of Revain is pitiful, proposing that crypto fans would lean toward the venture as the business and quality need grows utilization. Coordinated efforts. Revain has joined forces with the huge canines in the crypto space. A portion of its partners incorporate Sharp flavoring, Indodex, and Crex24, among other digital money exchanger stages. It has cooperated with Passion, a blockchain stage for organizations to give items, NXT, IGDs, and some more. Revain current cost. Revain is right now worth $0. Fire Up has moved 4.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $598,063. Revain is as of now positioned 348 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $49,798,310 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Revain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Revain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Revain Value Forecast 2022. Revain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Fire Up cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Fire Up is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Revain Fire Up cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FireUp will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the FireUp's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FireUp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. FireUp may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. FireUp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Revain Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Revain effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the FireUp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FireUp will be green in 2025. The FireUp is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the FireUp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, FireUp has a most extreme value worth of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that FireUp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help FireUp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2028. While FireUp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Revain Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Revain will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Revain Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest FireUp cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the Revain Group has areas of strength for an man-made reasoning and large information, which they are using to construct a modern criticism framework. The stage is as of now in beta. However, it has proactively built up some forward movement, with more than 1 million evaluations